Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 157. So here it is. Let's read the story. Everyone seems to be happy. They're celebrating. The live recording of the finals is over. Congratulations to everyone for getting off work. All of them are having a drinks. Well, they seems to be happy, especially for Jingshu and also for Jian. But for Jian, she is really happy. She is smiling to everyone until looking at this man. She was waving her hands. Could it be that he discovered something? Looking at her eyes, they've been focusing on something, saying, Teacher G, what are you doing? I secretly teasing Teacher Jing. Well, look, Teacher Jing's face is red. Well, she really get caught, but this time, Jian said, What is the secret, manager? I'm holding my teacher's hand in sand. Oh, this girl, she know how to coax people, and she is really good at it. Well, Jian said, You said you were jealous and that's why you were talking about me. Oh, she know how to coax. Also, the man said, I have nothing to be jealous of. I still have my brother Xiaolang. Oh, everyone was laughing. It turns out she was also a bent person. Well, we can really wait to see. Since brother Xiaolang is trying to avoid him, well, they really get serious, especially for Jian. Why suddenly she looks really sad? The game has reached the final. I recalled the scenes when I participated in the competitions with Teacher Shan. Now it makes sense. The two of them are holding each other's hand. Especially for Jian, she's been always staring at Akshu. At that time, Teacher Jing and I also sat by side, holding our hands, cheer each other. Well, they really remember the time. So many years have passed at a glance. Well, it seems that this is really getting serious. Although it's from the past, but still, she can really remember everything. Teacher, then you arrived from Bihai. What do you think is the biggest change you experienced over the years? One of the girls said to her, I think it's a change in mentality. Now, my mentality will be much more calmer, also more relaxed. I'm not as nervous as when I first debuted. Well, she was right about this. I hope everyone can keep positive attitude and not be led by external voices and interference. Don't go too far either. But I forgot where I was going when I say it out. I wish you all never forget your original intentions and being myself in my own life. Oh, it turns out she was really happy at this moment. She kept holding hands with Akshu. We can really see that the two of them are really happy and now they really understand each other. It's like they really forgot it about what happened in the past. But on that night, everyone seems to be happy. Everyone is celebrating and also drinking. Well, we can really see that the team, they're really enjoying this night until the two of them came back to the hotel room. They really looked tired. Also, for Akshu, she's really tired. Well, she was staring at Jian. Teacher Jing, I also want a signature. Well, it seems that there's someone who's trying to tease her. Could it be that, at this moment, since she was really drunk, she wanted to act like a big fans of her? There also Jungyu and I. Oh, she know how to coax her until Jian. I need my teacher's phone number. Well, this time she was writing the phone number on her palm hand, and it makes sense. Look at her, she's really shy about this. Akshu, suddenly, she turned around and said, There, there you have it. Well, she really write the numbers on her hands, seeing that she looks really happy. Jian, it depends on the whether you remember it or not. Oh, she is really getting freaky, right? Even though at this moment, Jian said, Actually, I have a pretty good memory. Oh, these two, they're really getting closer to each other. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.